Hey, it's Chad with Drive the Lightning. How's everybody doing today? Good? Great. Let's talk about the Nissan Leaf for just a moment. As you know, electric cars are notoriously low maintenance vehicles. The Nissan Leaf is no different. This thing has needed almost nothing since we bought it a couple of years ago. But one thing that does tend to go out is the accessory battery. That's the 12-volt battery that's under the hood. And this is the guy that runs the radio, the wipers, all that kind of stuff. But it's also crucial for actually booting up the car. So when this thing goes bad, and it happens kind of all at once, you'll get in your car, you'll push start, and it will not boot up all the way. You won't get this signal right here. See that green with the arrow pointing both ways? When you get that, that means your Nissan's ready to drive. You don't get that if the accessory battery goes dead. Other weird things happen too, like you can't unlock the doors, or you can't, it'll make a hissing noise, like a loud whine when you shut it off. And then you're just kind of stuck. But there is a way you can, one, live with it. Also, it's easy to fix. So let's just talk about those two things first. How to live with it. Well, if this thing goes bad, you're not rolling. So what might be wise is to keep a small battery charger with you, like a small booster, like this one here. I just saw this morning walking through Sam's Club. This is a very low power battery booster. It costs about $89, I think. And having this it might not be enough juice to start a V8, gasoline engine, to crank over that engine. But it's plenty enough juice to get your Nissan Leaf booted up by jumping it with a 12-volt battery. Now, this will help you so much because once you get it started, you could drive all day. It won't stop until the big battery goes dead. So it's just a matter of getting it booted up. And then you go to the store, you turn it off, you come back out, guess what? You're stuck again. Well, if you have this little booster in your trunk, it'll go a long ways to helping you live with a dead accessory battery. Okay. Other thing, of course, you can jump it with a car. If you can get it to like your home charger and plug it in for a little while, it'll start again. If you do that, that's how you live with it. But how do you replace it? Quite simple. Once you get the hood popped, you see the battery right here. There's this bracket on top. You unscrew that. You need like a deep well socket, or you could use pliers. And you don't have to loosen it all the way up, just enough to where you can unhook the clamp. I'm trying to show it in the video. It's not really clear, but you'll see it when you get to yours. Then once you get the clamp off, take off the negative, the black cable, and then take off the positive after that. Then simply take it out and repeat the process. Now, in some cars, like the BMW i3, or in fact, I think all BMWs, you have to use a computer to pair the battery to the car. That's not true with the Nissan Leaf, at least not the older models. Mine's a 16. They didn't make any major changes till 2018. You just put in the new battery and that's it. There's nothing tricky about it. It's just like any other battery. Also, it was easy for us to find. When we replaced ours, I actually went to Walmart into their little auto center, and they had one right in the shelf, like $160. I was done. So that's how you replace the battery. Really nothing to it. So anyway, quick video. The Nissan Leaf is a very, very, very low maintenance car. But this battery will go bad. These are not meant to last very long. Maybe you'll get 3 years out of it. But when it goes bad, you're kind of stuck. So if you're on the road someplace, hey, maybe having a booster pack is not a bad idea. I'm going to buy one, and Sarah and I are going to have one in our trunk from now on. That's it. Chad Drive Lane. You want to learn more about Nissan Leaf? Hit this. BMW i3, hit this. If you want to learn more about electric cars, why not go ahead and subscribe? Give us a thumbs up. We also talk a lot about the Aptera as news comes out. All right. Have a great day. Thank you.